Withybush Hospital is a friendly place to work. It's a relatively small hospital in that everybody knows each other and are friendly and supportive, but it's also big enough that it's busy enough to learn as well. It's a good learning opportunity.
And particularly working in A&E, I've got such a broad range from medicine, surgery, some elements of general practice, as well as acute injuries that you'll only see in the A&E environment.
I'm an A&E registrar in Withybush General Hospital, which I'm thoroughly enjoying. You get a lot of opportunities here, and at this current moment of time, I'm enjoying life at the moment.
In terms of the hospital, that friendliness translates to the workplace environment. We're fantastic team players. Everyone gets on with each other. And although we work really hard for the benefit of our patients, there is an easygoing atmosphere which is really attractive to work with.
I have to say I do love working in A&E. It's a variety of things we see coming through the door every day. It's a fun environment, it's friendly, but it's also a good learning environment as well.
I got a lot of teaching. I found that on Wednesdays we'd always have a good few hours of protected teaching time. That A&E was a busy environment, but they would make sure that come 2 o'clock you'd be away at teaching. Some weeks it'd be a consultant, some weeks it'd be senior colleagues, or we'd have video conferencing from across Wales as well. So good amount of teaching experience on the job and informal environments on those Wednesday teaching.
The junior doctors that come to this hospital, they are, they're looked after by certain consultants in their department. So yeah, they do get more one-on-one time to further progress their education and their knowledge and their clinical education as well at the same time.
It's a new department. We're very lucky that we had the new department built about 6 years ago now, so we have relatively, although it's 6 years old now, it is a new department, so we've got quite new facilities. It's quite nice facilities for the patients.
People are very, very friendly regarding patients as well as people around you who work with you as well. You get a sense of teamwork, and that's what it's all about. Without teamwork it wouldn't work.
In my experience, the F1s absolutely love it because they come down here and they get a good work-life balance. They work hard while they're on the shop floor, but when they leave the hospital, they're out and about, they're surfing, they're kayaking, they're up in the mountains, and they're having beach parties and barbecues in the summer with our fantastic weather. So they absolutely love it. They're all coming in looking for an outdoors life and a friendly atmosphere, and they get it, and they make a lot of new friends while they're down here.
We also work very closely with the ambulance crews because, again, Pembrokeshire is still a relatively small team, so we all get to know each other and we work together quite well. We socialise out of work as well. We do have nights out, so we can all sort of de-stress and work together as a team. We do quite good teamwork in here.
So yeah, this is something that I will continue as a medical doctor, and I would encourage other people to come and get the sense of teamwork. It's basically a family in my opinion, and that's what it's all about at the end of the day.